Good morning, children. So today we are discussing the solution of this chapter 5, laws of motion, which I sent on second week of July. So the first question is, you can see that give the magnitude and the direction of the net force acting on a first one, a drop of rain falling down with a constant speed. So you have to find, give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on a drop of rain falling down with a constant speed. This rain is falling with a constant speed, so what is the acceleration? There is no change of velocity, so acceleration is considered as a zero. First case only we are discussing. So acceleration is considered as a zero. Therefore, force is considered as what is that? Zero. First case. Force is equal to zero. Then second case, a cork of mass 10 gram floating on a water. A cork of mass 10 gram floating on a water. Like this way you can consider the situation of a cork is floating on a water, liquid surface. In this case you see that when it is a float, various forces are acting. What is that? mg is acting and the buoyant force is acting in the upward direction. So no, buoyant force is acting in the upward direction, we call it as a Fp. So the object will float means both the forces are equal. So in that case also, what is the direction of the net force acting on this system only? So in that case also, what is that? Net force will be zero. Then third case, a kite skillfully held stationary in the sky. So it is a stationary. So net force acting on this system is considered as in this case also zero. Then fourth one, a car moving with a constant velocity of 30 km per hour on a rough surface. Constant velocity only, so in this case also, what is that? Acceleration is considered as a zero. So force acting on this object is also considered as a zero. Now you see that option E, a high speed electron in space, far from all material objects and free from electric and magnetic field. It is free from all electric and magnetic field. Therefore, what is the force acting on this material object which is moving in space? Therefore, the net force acting in this case is considered as a zero. In this case also net force is a zero. So these are the various forces are acting on this object in different cases. This is the first solution of the first question. A pebble of mass, you can see that 0.05 kilogram is thrown vertically upward. Give the direction and magnitude of the net force on the pebble during the upward motion, downward motion, and at the highest point when it is momentarily at a rest. So you have to calculate the direction and magnitude of the net force acting on the pebble. First one, during the upward motion. So first option we have to see that. During the upward motion, what is the direction of the net force? What is the magnitude and direction of the net force? When this object is going in the upward motion, in this manner, an object is going in the upward direction. So what is the direction of the force is acting? Gravitational force is acting vertically downward direction. So we can say that force is acting in the vertically downward direction. And the value of the force is given as F is equal to ma. In this case, mg. So we can say that F is equal to mass is given. What is the mass of this object? 0.05 into, we can take acceleration as 10. So the equation becomes what is that? 0.5 Newton force is acting on this object. And it is acting in the downward direction, vertically downward direction force is acting. So this is the way force is acting in the vertically downward direction. Now we can consider the second situation. What is that? The second case? During the downward motion. Now the object is falling in the downward direction. Like this, the object is falling in the downward direction. What is the direction of the force? What is the magnitude and the direction of the force acting on this pebble? What is the magnitude and direction of the force acting on the pebble? So in that case, what is the magnitude and direction of the force acting? So when the object is falling in the downward direction. So object is falling in the downward direction. So what is that? It is ma or F is equal to mg only. So force will be remains the same in this case also. What is that answer? It should be 0.5 Newton, and this force is acting in the downward direction. In this case also, force is acting in the downward direction. Now, at the highest point, when it is momentarily at a rest, at the highest point, when it is momentarily at a rest, what is the direction of the force acting? What is the magnitude and the direction of the force acting in this case? When it is at reaching at the highest point, when it is reaching at the highest point, like you say, object is thrown, reaching at the highest point, what is the direction and velocity? What is the direction and magnitude of the force is acting? When it is momentarily at the rest, direction of the force is downward only, and acceleration is always there. Acceleration is acting in the downward direction. So we can say that in this case also, what is that force is equal to mg. That means answer is 0.5 Newton, and it is acting in the downward direction. So this is the situation. We can consider the magnitude and direction of the forces in this.